In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Finance dark mode in just about 5 minutes. If you've been straining your eyes staring at bright screens all day, or simply prefer the sleek look of a dark interface, you're in for a treat. This guide promises to enhance your user experience on Google Finance with a straightforward solution. Let's dive in. First things first, navigate to Google Finance. Whether you're tracking your investments, exploring market trends, or just casually browsing, Google Finance is a robust platform that provides a wealth of financial information. But as insightful as it may be, its default bright theme isn't for everyone, especially during the night or in dark environments. That's where the need for a dark mode comes in, ensuring a comfortable viewing experience regardless of the lighting conditions. Once you're on the Google Finance homepage, the next step is to sign in. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. Signing in is crucial. It allows for a personalized experience, enabling you to track specific stocks, follow particular markets, and much more, all tailored to your interests and needs. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you typically use for Google Finance, or the one you intend to use moving forward. Next, you'll enter your Google password. Security is key in this step. It's your gateway to accessing not just Google Finance, but all Google services. So, make sure you enter your password correctly. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might be prompted for an additional verification step here. Upon entering your password, click on Next. This will finalize your sign-in process, and you'll be brought back to the Google Finance dashboard, now logged in and ready to further customize your experience. Here's where the magic happens. To enable dark mode, you'll next go to the Chrome Web Store. This is a marketplace for various browser extensions that can customize your browsing experience in numerous ways. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, type in Dark Theme for Google. You'll be presented with several options, but we're looking for a specific dark mode extension that works seamlessly with Google Finance. This extension will essentially apply a dark theme across all Google services, including Google Finance, giving you that much desired dark mode interface. Carefully look through the options, and once you've found the extension, proceed to install it. Installing Chrome extensions is usually a matter of a few clicks. You'll click on the extension, then on the Add to Chrome button, and finally confirm the installation by clicking Add Extension in the pop-up window. Remember, it's important to install extensions from reputable developers to ensure both functionality and security. With the Dark Theme extension now installed, head back to Google Finance. You'll notice that the interface remains unchanged initially. That's because you need to activate the newly installed extension. To do this, look towards the top right corner of your Chrome browser, where you'll find the Dark Mode extension icon on the Extensions ribbon. Click on this icon to activate the dark theme for Google Finance. And voila, the page will refresh, and you'll be greeted with a sleek, dark interface. This theme should apply across all Google services, providing a uniform and eye-friendly browsing experience. Utilizing a dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain, particularly in low light conditions, making it a popular choice for both productivity and aesthetic reasons. With these simple steps, you've not only tailored Google Finance to your visual preference, but also enhanced your overall user experience on the platform. Remember, if you ever decide to return to the light theme or wish to disable the dark mode for any reason, you can easily do so by clicking the extension icon again and toggling off the dark theme, or by managing your Chrome extensions directly. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully enabled dark mode on Google Finance, making your financial tracking and analysis a visually comfortable experience day or night. Enjoy browsing, tracking, and analyzing in style and comfort. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips.